So we'll go ahead and do a quick overview of the Builderall dashboard so you know how to use it. I do have a little bit of a cold, so my voice is kind of different today in today's video. But if you look to the left here, you'll have all of your information or your tools and toolbars. Your account information is up here. You can delete your account through this process. Messages to you are right here. Notifications or launch alerts. And then you got builders, drag and drop, pixel perfect, drag and drop, responsive builder, mobile first, responsive blog builder, app creator, mailing boss autoresponder. Design has design studio, presentations builder, photo studio. Video has animated videos with some pretty cool templates in there already. Floating videos, apps, browser notifications, SEO on-page report tool, click map, chat review, auto post, Facebook chatbot, share locker, e-learning, script generator, social proof, and roulette, a game. I'll show you more in detail what these do in this review, but I want to just kind of go over the dashboard so you kind of see how everything works. And for those that sign up with me, I do have a free link that I give you that will help you get started and actually give you some funnels to work with. So here's some special training, a couple other programs. So tell us promo, that's pretty neat for reviews. You can do webinars in Builderall. Marketplace is new, tutorial and training. Then your business builder that just has all kinds of tools in it. That's really neat. I'll do a separate video on that. And then tickets, your earnings calculators, certified partners, and support. So that's a quick overview of the Builderall dashboard. And I will go, like I said, into detail on these items as we go through this blog post.